Hello and welcome to my first day back in Manila, here in BGC. This is Bonifacio High Street. I'm actually going to park my motorbike in the underground car park located to my right. We're literally crossing part of Bonifacio High Street, this yellow zebra crossing. It starts from here and it goes all the way down. Thank you, sir. As I've already been here and I've made an in-depth video covering Bonifacio High Street, I'm only going to be around this place for maybe a coffee and then we'll be off and away again around BGC. If you want to see the in-depth video of this place where I go over it thoroughly, then check out the link in the information card on the top right of your screen. Did I get that right? Don't click off the video just yet because I need you to stay on this video and then go watch the other video. Is there a UCC coffee here or no? UCC coffee. You're sweating, girl.
Don't know, sorry.
Oh, you don't know? Okay, no worries. This right here is a fountain, and usually there'll be water pouring down from it, but it looks like they've stopped it because it's under maintenance for whatever reason. And there's a person climbing on top of it. Whoa! Yes, I guess this video is going to be like the ultimate tour of BGC because I've got a scooter and I can nip around very quickly from one location to the other. And BGC isn't that big. I mean, it's a lot bigger than the IT park and the Cebu Business Park that was in Cebu. Still relatively small. You can get from one side of the city to the other in probably 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, I could have parked my scooter in here. Oh, god damn it. I wouldn't have to walk all the way back up. Free scooter parking. I'm not sure if it's free actually, but oh, Nike store. I missed this last time. Let's see if they've got some Pegasus and maybe we can retire these old shoes. Do you have any Pegasus series?
For men, sir, upstairs.
For men, yes. Size 13? US?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh yeah, good. Let's go. I'll get this down here. Thank you very much.
Going up.
Oh.
Your elevator is faulty. Do not worry. The technician will come soon to handle the problem.
Are you joking?
Your elevator enters the return leveling operation state. Do not worry. Your elevator enters the automatic running state. Going up.
Oh no. I thought we were going to be stuck in there for an hour. Here we are. Thank you. Good afternoon, how are you? Let's go see if they've got size 13 US, UK 12 Pegasus in store. If you don't know, these are the Pegasus 38. Hello. Are they 38 or 40? I don't know.
45.
These look interesting. Look at that. Look at that heel. Bloody hell. Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you? I'm looking for a Pegasus running series.
Pegasus 39, sir.
Oh yeah, I've got the 35. So that obviously they would have upgraded by then, since then.
Pegasus 39.
What is that?
Pegasus 39, sir.
Ma'am, I'm wearing all black. All black hat and black shades. Do you think a shoe like this would work?
This one.
Oh really? Oh, you don't have any in black? Well, what about this? What about this?
That's not Pegasus 31, it's so light.
It turns out they do have Pegasus 39s in black. I was a little bit worried. It's a bit weird though, because it's a bit like green, right?
Yeah. Would you like to try, sir?
Yeah, do you have UK 12? Fingers crossed.
UK 12, because it's size 13.
Yes.
We are limited in size 13.
Okay. Disappointing news. It seems as though UK 11 or US 12 is the biggest they go up to here in the Philippines. If I want to go with UK 12 or US 13, which is one size up, I'm going to have to order it online from Singapore. Why, you know me?
Yeah, you're from YouTube, right?
No, but what channel?
Mergim.
Ah, good man, good man.
I know you.
Yeah.
I watched your videos.
That's good, man.
Can I take a picture?
Sure. I thought you work here, like you looked the part. I was like, okay. But
I
yeah.
was shocked when I saw you there. Like, oh, it's
really?
Morgim.
All right.
Yeah.
You
Nice
know,
to
I was
meet
trying
you
to,
again.
yeah, nice to meet you. I was trying to get some new shoes, right?
Oh.
Because these are really old and they only go up to like US 12.
Well, they got a lot of brands you can buy.
They don't have my size. My size is too big. Anyway, it was nice to meet you, Reggie. Take care. See you. You'll be on the vlog. Yeah, you'll be on it. See you.
Ground floor.
Quite a few malls located along the high street, like one Bonifacio High Street. There's another one which I can't remember, it's on the corner. There's this one here which I'm round at the back of, called Central Square. The Landmark is opposite there, which is another department store. I have noticed that there is random street art in BGC on certain buildings, such as the one behind me over there. There's some more over here too, which is most likely there to brighten up the city or add a little bit of a flair to it. Wow, there's quite a lot actually around here. Artist Jasmine Lakay. The mural was made possible by grant from Pacific Paint Fields. And the entire corner of this building is devoted to street art. And the architecture of the buildings here in BGC does not disappoint. You've got some pretty crazy and wacky looking buildings. For example, the W City Centre here. They've got these balconies that go around in this curvature right through the middle of the building. And then this here looks like a Tetris building. Can you see that? And right where I'm standing, if we cross to the other side, there's a fitness park. Yeah, it looks like it's devoted to people who want to exercise, because it looks like there's a lap that goes right around the park with a few apparatus in which you can use your own body weight to exercise. And this all is just off the side street of Bonifacio High Street. Okay folks, I'm gonna head back to my motorbike and we're gonna go to a place called SM Aura Premier, which I've not visited before, and I'm gonna be wrapping up the video there. Mango shop right there. And a Porsche as well, Audi, Bentley, Volkswagen owns every single one of these brands. Ah, this is SM Aura. Looks like some sort of pixelated building. Oh, what the hell? SM Aura looks almost exactly identical to SM Seaside in Cebu. The style is literally the same. They've got the same sort of staircases in the middle that warp upwards to the side. Ah, but they do have these escalators here in this zigzag pattern. This perspective of SM Aura here, I think it's probably the most beautiful angle in the entire mall. Anyway, I'm feeling a little bit sleepy. I was yawning earlier, and I'm actually gonna try and find a UCC coffee if there is one around. I haven't had UCC coffee in quite some time, and it's bloody brilliant. If not, I'll find somewhere else, and I think I'm going to be grabbing dinner here too. But I do want to ask around and see what there is here at SM Aura, because I think they've got a rooftop, but I'm just going to confirm. SM Aura does feel a little bit more classier than SM Seaside, and I think that's predominantly the way they've got the tiles kind of laid out. There's a bit more of a style and a pattern. I'm not sure if this is marble or not, but we can ask the concierge. Is the floor made from marble?
Yes.
Yes.
You can try 5th level, sir. We have Sky Park.
Nice.
5th level, sir.
Okay. This is the 5th floor, I believe, and this is what they call the Sky Park, which is this terrace right on the very top floor. So there's this side as well. But to get here, you need to walk around there under that shelter. I think this terrace actually spans the entire length of the mall. Damn. I really want to know how to get to the next level, but I have yet to find out. Before I try and find out, let's get a coffee from here called Est. Hello man, how are you? No, I'll just get an iced Americano. Can I get a takeaway?
Sure.
Yeah? Okay, nice. I've been so busy showing you guys around, I feel completely exhausted. I haven't been really able to relax. And BGC, that's what it's about. It's about sitting down at a restaurant, relaxing, eating well, drinking well. This coffee is way too light for me, so I think I'm going to order up a double shot. Thanks.
And let me know if it suits your drinks.
Alright, with that second shot in my coffee, that tasted a lot better. But for now, this portion of the vlog is going to be very erratic. We might transport to a location that doesn't really have any follow-up in between. I tried the escalator, I tried the lift next door. Both of them said they don't go up to the 7th floor, but this one does. It's just got this see-through glass panel. Ooh! Looks like it was worth the wait. Oh, we're inside the chapel. Wow. So we actually get to the 7th floor and we exit the lift right outside the chapel. Hey, we've got a view. We've got a view of the entire city. From standing on the terrace here at SM Aura, it looks as though this mall separates the skyscrapers and the business districts with the high-rise condominiums, with the more typical residential area apparent in the Philippines. Anyway folks, I'm going to be wrapping up today's video here outside the chapel. If you enjoyed this tour here of BGC, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video and share it with friends and family. And I believe in the next video I might head elsewhere, maybe check out Quezon City. I've not been there as of yet. But that's all for now folks, and I'll catch you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching guys, take care, bye for now.